August, just going to cut the lawn. I have been cutting it at 1 inch, but it hasn't been looking that good. So I put a picture up on the screen now, or in the mirror, that's what it looked like. It's still patchy, but I've been growing it a little bit longer. Sorry about my shadow. But as you can see, look, I've still got all those patches. This is where I seeded a while back, which there's nothing coming through. I haven't been very well, so I haven't been doing hardly any videos. It's where I've over fertilised, and it's like the drop spreader, and it's burnt my lawn. But I'm also going to dig this bit out and lower it, so it's a bit high, so I can do that in places. I'm just going to cut the lawn. Sorry about the noise. Someone's putting some scaffolding up on one of the bungalows. I don't know what happened here. I don't know if you can see this, but it's a different shade. Worm castings. It's a bit wet, but damp. But look how bad it is in places. Don't need to trim because I trimmed the other day. But I'm going to cut the lawn on number 3, and then I'm going to do some patchwork. I am thinking about overseeding. So, not overseeding, levelling the lawn with some silica sand in the winter. So, well, anyway, I'm gonna put the music on and on my ears, and then cut the lawn. Probably on double cut it, depends how I feel. I haven't been feeling that well, so double cut it. Might be, don't know yet. Anyway, that's it. You'll see this one. I'm about 6 weeks in front, I think. So I think this one will be uploaded 2nd week in October, I think. I might chuck the cylinder mower. If I do, I'll check the end of this one, but I doubt it. I reckon the cylinder mower get a lot more strips out of it because I'm cutting it higher, you know. So, but I'm going to fill in the gaps where I burnt the fertiliser, the drops better. So that's it. Subscribe, share, like, comment down below. Let me know what you want to see in the videos over at autumn. I'm thinking about overdressing with silica sand, something different. I got a lot of low spots, so and then I'll probably overseed as well, even though I've really overseeded again. But if you look at Caroline's lawn, she's about 5 months in front of me. Her lawn was done that. It'll come up to a year actually, so I'll be doing a video on hers soon again, to show where it was and where it is now. She had her shed done. It's all done now. So I'll put a picture up of what hers looks like now in a minute, if I remember in the editing. Anyway, catch you on the next one. Short video. Cheers, bye.